better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is LaVonne Tynesha. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a monochromatic look. This look is inspired by the 2018 Pantone Color of the Year, which is ultraviolet. In the world of graphic design, we use Pantone color books to maintain consistency throughout the corporation and advertising and packaging and all that we do. That is my full-time job. I am a package designer, so using Pantone color books or color guides really makes my life easier. I'm a lover of art and color, and ultraviolet is this year's trend, and you can incorporate this color into so many different areas in your life. You can do it in your nails, in the home, in the office, on bay for a little nice present, and also in makeup. So I created this look today, and I want to show you how I did it. In the links below, you'll be able to find all the products that I use. I'm going to swatch some colors for you as well. So let's get into the video. So the look that I'm going to create today is a monochromatic look. That just means keeping your eyeshadow, your blush, and your lip color all in the same shade range. Today's palette is going to be the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk. These are the colors. So I'm going to create a halo look. That just means the inner and outer corners of your eyeshadow are dark, and the center corner, well, the center area of your eye is light. So starting with my eyeshadow primer, this is the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and then just blend that in. Starting with my transition color, this is Saddle by MAC. I'm going to put this above my crease. Starting in the palette, I'm going to use Amber, and I'm going to put this a little bit below my transition color. This is another burnt orange that I like to use, and this is just going to warm up this area. Next, I'm going into Shadowy Lady. I'm going to put this on the inner and outer corners of my eye. This is a 224 by MAC blending brush. So just placing it on the outer corners. And then in the inner corner. And bring it up. Now that I have the Shadowy Lady applied with my blending brush, I'm going to use my shader brush, which is a 239 by MAC, to apply more color. In the middle, I'm going to pop a little Amethyst from the Desert Dusk palette and Royal. I'm going to mix the two. I'm going to tap this in the middle. So next I'm going to apply Twilight over top of the Amethyst and the Royal, but I'm going to spray my brush with a little Fix Plus spray. Just right in the center. So basically that's how the eyeshadow is applied to create a halo look. I'm going to finish up with my mascara and lashes, foundation, all the stuff that I used in my last video. This tutorial is more of just the eyes and the lips, so I will be back with that. Okay, now guys that I'm back, I did my lashes, I did my foundation, concealer, contour, highlight, all that good stuff. So for my blush today, I used Magenta. I did not use this in my last video, so I wanted to let you guys know what I used. This is, you know, still in the plum, violet, purple shade. So I wanted to add a little bit more color, but still keep it kind of soft. So I do like the Magenta for that. I'm just gonna finish up with my eyes. So now that I have the halo up top, I'm gonna do a little bit at the bottom as well. To do under my eyes, I'm gonna line it with this Sherry Moya purple liner. It's the first time I'm using this. So I'm gonna do my waterline in purple. Using my 219 brush. A little short hair brush is tapered, so I can get up underneath of my waterline. I'm gonna use the Shadowy Lady again. I'm gonna start at my outer corner and just kind of smudge that into the liner, and then in my inner corner. So again, with my Fix Plus spray, spray the tip. I'm gonna mix Royal, Amethyst, and Twilight to do the halo center glow. You just want that right in the middle. So now going into my mascara, I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. So that is the eye look. So let's talk about lips. Purple lipsticks come in a variety of shades. You have your true purples, your lavenders, wines, berries, pinkish purples, and deep dark purples. Today I'm gonna do a combination of a deep purple and a lavender, giving me an ombre look. So first I'm gonna take the darkest lip liner that I own. I have Nightmoth by MAC. This is one of my favorite lip liners in the plum range. I'm just gonna shade in the top a little bit. I rub my lips together like this to kind of give it more of a feathered look and to blend it out some. Okay, going in with my dark purple. This is Smoked Purple by MAC. I just want to stay towards more of the outer edges and leave an area for my lighter color in the middle. And then next I'm going in with Up the Amp, also by MAC. I think this ultraviolet is a beautiful color. It's a great color to start the new year. I chose violet as one of my business colors because purple in the world of design also promotes creativity and imagination. And when using this lavender state, it promotes relaxation. And so I feel like, you know, when I'm designing, when I'm doing makeup, I am in my element. So if you choose to recreate this look, I would love to see it. If you post the pictures to Instagram or Facebook, please hashtag me. You can use these hashtags. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. That hurt. Year 2018 or COY